So this is the stand. It comes just like this. It's very sturdy, pretty rubbery. Arms go like that. They are bendable, so you could do whatever. Comes with the little nod thing. You can see with my GoPro, screws on there like that. I'm not going to do that. And then it comes with this attachment for your cell phone, so if you want to do it like that, you can. I'm going to use this for videos, so screw it on there. It's snug. It goes up and down. You can tighten it, loosen it. So I'm going to loosen this. Then we could move this around like that. Tighten it up. It also comes with this for your GoPro if you don't have the mount we have. And it has the remote right here. It comes with instructions on how to pair it, the remote, to your phone. Right here. And frequent asked questions. Here's all the modes and everything. Very sturdy, very good tripod compared to other ones.